If you're looking to upgrade the ambiance, the atmosphere of any room, definitely start with lighting. I'm gonna unbox this for the very first time. This is a 24 watt pack of those really nice ceiling lights. Now, I love these because it's so easy to install. You're gonna see how they come. This is a 6-pack. You can have the single pack as well, but look at this. So nice. So you can flush it to the wall. They're extremely light. And the reason why I love the fact that they're extremely light is that you can actually have a very simple setup on the ceiling, and it's not going to have any strain on whatever beam you actually install it on. And look at this. Again, extremely simple. This is just a piece of plastic. You even have the secured lane or line. So obviously if anything goes wrong, it's not going to fall on someone's head. It's actually secured. And then again, you do have the hardware and a very simple way to get your wiring done. I love this type of wiring because there's no more of that twisting stuff of the olden days. You literally just have to put that in the hole and then just clamp it down and you're good to go. Love the fact that this is LED. It's going to create a really beautiful glow. You've got a 6-pack, so you can really define a room with this. It can last up to 50,000 hours, 50, so 50,000 hours before you have to change something like this. So it's super long lifetime. And again, 24 watts, doesn't use a lot of power, but creates a beautiful glow as well. So it's really nice to install.